Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. "You are ugly," said Mother Duck. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cow. "You are ugly," said the cow. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a cat. "You are ugly," said the cat. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a rabbit. "You are ugly," said the rabbit. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a boy. "You are ugly," said the boy. "Go away." The ugly duckling met a girl. "You are ugly," said the girl. "Go away." The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. "Look in the water," said the swans. "You are beautiful," said the swans. "Come with us." And he did.